Hello everyone, I'm Radzka Fairuz Shidqi. My student's number 232122068 and I'm from class C. So today I would like to share to you guys about one of the methods that you can use if you want to teach reading and writing skills. So the method is genre-based approach or GBA. So now let's start with the definition of the method. So let's start with the definition of the GBA or genre-based approach. So according to Highland 2007, the genre-based approach or GBA focuses on helping students understand how language is used in different types or genres to achieve specific purposes. And this method is aimed to make learners aware of the relationship between language, context, and social purpose, so they can produce text effectively. And the main principle of GBA is that students learn best when language instruction is explicitly scaffolded through model text and guided practice. And teachers provide support as learners analyze examples and gradually gain independence in constructing their own text. Alright, so let's move into the steps of GBA. So the first step is building of the field or BKF, where students discuss and learn about the topic of the text. And second one is modeling of the text or M.P.D, where the teacher introduces a model text and analyzes its structure and language features. And the third one is joint construction or G code, where teacher and students write a text together. And the last one is independent construction or I code, where students create their own text individually. Alright, now let's talk about the benefits of using GBA. There are five benefits of using this method. So the first one is the learning process becomes clearer and more organized. So GBA, as what I said earlier, has clear stages like B, K, O, F, G, M, O, T, G code, and I code. So students aren't confused and can follow the learning steps from understanding the context to producing the text. And the second one is help students understand the purpose and function of the text. Yeah, because GBA focuses on genre, students can learn like what the text for means, that purpose, and then how it's structured and what language features are used. So this makes it easier for them to understand and write the correct type of text. And the third one is improves writing skills step by step. So GBA gives strong support through stages like starting with example, writing together with the teacher, and then writing on their own. And the fourth one is supports collaborative learning. In the G code stage, students work with their classmates and teacher to create the text. This helps them get more ideas, reduce writing anxiety, and improve critical thinking and teamwork skills. And the last one is suitable for different student levels. So GBA is flexible for junior high school, senior high school, and even university students, because teachers can adjust the topic or the difficulty level of the text, the depth of the discussion, and the final task.
Alright, so good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, how are you doing guys? Are you good?
I'm good.
Okay, so today we're going to learn about how to summarize, especially short text, okay? Alright, so before we start, let me ask you about summary. So what is a summary? Does anyone know what is a summary?
Sir.
Okay, so Yanni.
I think summary is you make long paragraph to short paragraph.
Okay, great. So, summary, the definition of summary is this one. So, a summary is a short version of a text that presents only the main idea and the most important information using your own words. And you have to know that the summary should contain the main idea in short and use your own words and not copy paste. And you have to keep these three rules in your mind. First one is identify, second one is reduce, and last one is rewrite. Okay. All right. So now let's take a look at this sort text. So online learning allows students to access materials anytime and from any location. It also provides various digital tools that support discussion and workbook. However, some students still struggle with distraction and unstable visual connection, which can affect their overall learning experience. So here is an example of the summary based on the text. So let's take a look at why can this work out. We have to know about the main idea. So the main idea is online learning, and then we have to remove the details. Remove the details is that access materials anytime and from any location. It means that flexibility and flexibility. It also provides various digital tools. It means that useful tools. And the last sentence is still creates service digital distraction and poor internet access. Okay. And then now let's build together. Okay. So Jerome, please read this text.
Read.
Yes, sir.
Many university students use AI tools to help them generate ideas for writing assignments. These tools can offer vocabulary suggestions and improve grammar. Still, depending too much on AI may reduce students' ability to think critically and improve their handwriting skills.
Okay, great. So, in your opinion, so what is the main idea of this text?
University students.
AI tools
Okay, good.
generate ideas.
Okay, so let's build it together. This one is the summary of this text. Okay, so the main idea is AI tools help students generate ideas. Okay, all right. So now let's move into the main activity. Okay, you have to summarize from this text. Okay, and you have to work individually. And I'll give you 1 minute to write. Let's start 1 minute from now. Go. All right, thumbs up everyone. So now one of you have to read the result in front of the class, and the rest of you have to assess your friend. Okay, it's gonna be read. Yes. All right. So I'll please.
The summary from the text is group project offers benefits for students such as shared thoughts and enhanced communication skills, but they are faced some challenges like unequal workload and difficult to manage.
Okay. Thank you all. So, what about your opinion, Jerome?
In my opinion, the summary that has been made by our is already provide the main points from the activity.
Okay, so what you did?
I think now is good to make summary because she makes summary with their own words, and also the main point each sentences is good in summary.
Okay, great. So, all right. So, everyone, I think you already understood about how to summarize. So, that's all about our today's class. Today, you learned about how to summarize the short text. Okay. All right. So, thank you very much for your attention and participation. See you next week.